Hi, I'm Caspar Bailey, senior from Santa Barbara, California. This is Wentworth Hall. Come on in. This is one of our 4 common rooms in Wentworth, and there's one in the basement that has a pool table, a ping pong table, a flat screen TV, and our laundry room. But this one has a library, an organ, and the best part about this room is there's a staircase right up to the 2nd floor where I live. And you'll notice a lot of shoes in the hall. You know, it's winter, kids don't want to track salt and snow into their rooms, so you'll see that outside of my room especially. And now we're at the best room on campus. Come on in. Okay, so I want to start here. This is my bookshelf. You know, I have a lot of books there, but also things that are kind of important to me, like baseballs, kind of like throughout my life that have held significance. My coffee mugs as well. You know, my friends and I drink a lot of coffee, a lot of hot chocolate. And this is my seating area. I have a TV right there, and a couch and a recliner. Yeah, my friends and I like to congregate here. You know, we'll throw on a game if it's on, or watch a movie. I have an Xbox as well, and we'll play some Madden or some FIFA or some Fortnite. Up here we have this poster. It's pretty unique. You can see it's in German. So a friend of mine, his dad actually played professional football overseas. At the end of the year last year, or some point during the year last year, he gave me this poster. It's very unique. It's definitely a talking point. So this is a painting of my dog, Jet, who was with me for most of my childhood. He was, you know, the best dog a boy could have ever asked for, so I love having him up here as a reminder. And it's a great painting as well. This is my bed. Every night got George Washington watching over me, Battle of Saratoga. But yeah, I have a 3-inch mattress topper on here, and then we got 4 total blankets as well. There's a lot of other things in here that I could show you guys, but I do have to make it to econ class, so thank you very much for swinging by.